If there's anything that's Nigerian singer Portable, do I say rapper? Yeah, the singer and rapper Portable is very good at is giving us drama like tea, premium tea. So recently, his baby mama called him out to say that her son or their son has nothing to learn from him. Imagine. So they have been going on about there has been a beef between them. Possible is very good at calling his baby mamas out. I mean, he knows how to choose them. I mean, they know how to choose him because they are all dramatic. They have been having a rift. They got together, had a son, and then got separated. Now the separation is not amicably because there's always bad moves going around. So kindly check this on our website. We have this and more. Comment, like, and subscribe, and you'll see more of this. This is Augustina with the News Chronicle.